United States has agreed to sell $138 million worth of urgently needed military equipment to Ukraine, to repair and upgrade its Hawk missile systems. The Hawk missile system will enhance Ukraine's ability to defend critical national infrastructure. The Serbian government has announced plans to procure 12 Rafale fighter jets as tensions in the Balkan region escalate. The signing of the contract can be expected in approximately 2 months. The potential sale of 12 Rafales is estimated to cost around $3.26 billion. China has unveiled its HH-100 cargo drones. The drone has successfully underwent taxiing and pre-takeoff maneuvers test. It can travel up to 520 kilometers at cruising speeds of 300 kilometers per hour, ensuring rapid delivery of food, medicine, and other critical supplies to affected areas. The government of Greece has officially signed purchase of 35 UH-60M Black Hawk helicopters from U.S., with sale estimated to be worth $1.95 billion. It is twin-engine, medium-lift aircraft capable of reaching a maximum speed of 295 kilometers per hour.